Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT C Roadster. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4.0-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a steal with less than 8,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.